Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Ahmad Nazir bin Adnan and my metric number is 208014. So I want to explain about Truss analysis. Here is a result I get from this experiment. So from the result, I can conclude that the external force applied will influence the internal force on the truss very well. If the external force applied to the truss is double, the internal force will be double as well as if the external force is triple. So we can see here there is a difference between theoretical and experimental result due to some error occur during the experiment. One of the reasons is the force value displayed in the monitor is not static when the reading is taken. Besides that, it could be due to the experiment factor where the device is very sensitive to vibration and movement. Uh, so this is so for the purpose of the thrust analysis is number one is to measure of the bar thrust force in various single plane thrusts. Number two is to investigate and analyze the dependency on the external force. Number three is to compare the difference of experimental and mathematical method result. For the engineering application in thrust analysis is number one is determine the effect of load on physical structure and their component. Structure subject to this type of analysis include all that must withstand load such as building, bridge, aircraft, and ship. Number two is determine the body or system of connect part used to support a load. To design a structure, an engineer must account for its safety, aesthetic, and serviceability while considering economic and environmental constraints. Number three is to classify a structure by either its form or its function by recognizing the various elements composing that structure. The structural element guiding the systematic force through the material are not only such as a connecting rod, a truss, a beam, or a column, but also a cable, an arch, a cavity or channel, and even an angle, a surface structure, or a frame. They must consider everything.